And that's what happens when you are tired of waiting for GTA 6 and you basically build GTA 6 yourself. GTA 6 before GTA 6. Now I'm using the new tool by Google Genie 3, where by a prompt you paste or a picture you use as reference, you can make your own video game or own mini movie for 60 seconds. This is the maximum duration. And then after you playing as the character in your game, pressing the keys, navigating him, exploring the world, after the 60-second timer is basically done, you can download the footage and use it to, for example, show gameplay of the game you built. Here the 60 seconds are done, and now you can download video, you can remix the current input you are using, or you can reuse the prompt you used for the previous video. The main page of the project Genie, you can play with this button here, and you can check the already built worlds that are, to be honest, they are probably more optimized than anything you can create yourself, because as always those template like pre-built worlds or images or anything similar you encounter in the front of a new service like that are more optimized than the world you built yourself with a simple image. Because in the few hours I've been experimenting with this tool, I can tell myself that, for example, this one is probably the best, and nothing you can create yourself is comparable to what you see here as far as the quality of the input. I've tried myself. You can see how you can control this cleaner with the cat on it. If you put a realistic image of something like that, most of the time the input and the surrounding area would not look as good as we see right here. And this here, you can see how well the cat is being recognized by the Google Genie model, as everything seems ultra realistic, and the environment and the movement of the cat, everything is very polished. We are almost out of our 60 seconds that we get to interact with the current world we are in. Here is the timer for that. And after we are done, we can, for example, remix the current setting or the character. Uh, let's say uh, I want the cat to be white with long hair. Examples that Google have pre-built would probably get you better results than you generating an image yourself and using it. But we need to consider that this is a very complex world building and then exploring the world you have created too. And it's normal for it to have some struggles. Oh my god. As you can see, you can interact with the bow here and with objects in the environment. I've already showed you that this here is very impressive. Let's go back. Let's go here in the create section. Here you post a prompt for an environment, here for a character, and here you can add an image that you can bring to life. For example, I myself created this image of the new, let's say this would be how the new God of War game in Egypt looks like. And if you have already made the image with services like Google Nano Banana or Flux or something like that, you can only post the image and you need to type something as a prompt, but you can say something simple like Egypt, like anything basically. And you can create the world from here. As the Genie model sees the image, it draws the character from it, it draws the environment from it, and basically you don't need to prompt anything. But if we didn't have the image, we need to specify in the prompt how the world should look and how the character should look. Here, as we see, I've added in the image a map that works. You can see the map here basically moving, and you can see there is a health bar for the character. I'm gonna show you after I download the video, because when you download it, it goes to full screen. Let me show you some. Here is our character moving through the world. I'll wait a few seconds more so I can download and show you the how it looks when you download it. Our 60 seconds are up, and you press the download button, and as you would see yours for yourself, the video is a lot different than it appears there. You can clearly see the health bar. You can see here those, let's say, abilities, and you can see the map more clearly. We can try prompting something for the environment and the character. Let's say a mystical world, fantasy, forest with mountains around it. And let's say the character is a dragon with green. You can see here is our dragon in the forest we described. I've generated an image of a character, for example, Superman in Metropolis. Let's say for the environment, sunny day. Anything you can probably, if you have the image as a reference, you can type anything as the prompt and you can still create the world you want. And here are the instructions on how to move your character. Basically, the arrow keys are the only keys that work alongside the space bar. And also you can kind of play with the camera a bit with the mouse. Sometimes it works. Here is our character. To be honest, flying in this model is very optimized, and you can clearly tell that when flying, the directions and everything work even better than when your character is walking or you are driving. This is impressive. It looks like those examples of what the next Superman game would look like, or basically the Superman game that never came out. People hope for years to see a Superman game, and now you can make one yourself and experiment with it. Here our 60 seconds will expire, and we will have the option to provide the model with another prompt. I'm going to give you one more example of the already pre-built ones to show you how myself I think that they are probably better and more optimized than the, let's say, we can try this one with the fish. Interesting. Like I said, the service is available to Google AI Ultra users in the United States, and Google are looking at expanding the reach for it. I myself overheard the people in the interview that are behind this service. They basically said that they are not sure what the practical use for now is, but they expect from the people that will now try to hear feedback on what is the best way to implement this tool. I myself think you can basically build some kind of a workflow with like use the footage here to test some ideas for your Unity project, your anything you can think of when building a game or a mini movie or a world that is used in any kind of setting. So this will be it for this video, and hope you enjoy it. And I'll expect you to give some feedback on what do you think about the new tool. Some people are saying it can reshape how games and movies and anything were built before, but this will only come probably after another update like Genie 4, Genie 5. This is when Google expects this tool to be uh, able to change the way we look at things. For now, I would say this is mostly experimental. It's a lot better than the previous versions of the tool. But for now, I know some people would be skeptical. I myself would say that I would use this tool to probably show some gameplay of video games that have never been released, and hope that people like the idea of this. If you like the video, you can like and subscribe. I'm gonna make a few more videos on this Google new model, and I'm expecting to make a video on the upcoming Google VO4 when it comes